Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how to use ChatGPT to create consistent AI characters that you can use in your animations, children's story, faceless channels, create amazing content with AI. So we're going to learn how to make the characters look the same in different scenes. We're not going to animate the story in this video, we'll do that in the next video, but we're going to generate the story, we're going to generate the characters, and we're going to generate images and make them consistent. So without talking anymore, let us get straight into it. Like I mentioned before, we're going to be using ChatGPT for the entire thing. The first thing you're going to do is to open your ChatGPT. You can do this on your laptop if you have, or on your mobile phone. It's the same exact process. You don't have to worry. And we're going to be using the free version of ChatGPT. You guys know that on this channel I try to bring free options. I know that there's only so far you can go with free stuff, but I like to bring to you guys free AI tools and what you can do with them. So we're going to be using the free version of ChatGPT to create consistent AI characters. So once you open up ChatGPT, I'm going to leave the prompts in the description box in case you want to use the same prompt or modify it if you want. Just paste it here. You can ask ChatGPT to give you, let me say, give me an animated short story script about two kids on an adventure. I know that this is so vague, but ChatGPT is smart, is going to all right, so here we have a story generated cloud chasers. I think we can work with this. The length is about 3 to 5 minutes, which is not bad. So the next thing you're going to ask ChatGPT for is to give you the description of each of the characters. So we have, I said 2 kids, so it should be like 2 characters. Yeah, so we have the description of Lucas and Maya. Lucas is 8, Maya is 7. So this, we're going to come back to this. Another thing you're going to ask ChatGPT for is to give you the scene descriptions and prompts for each of the scenes. The cloud chasers for an image generation. This is going to describe the scenes and give you prompts to generate images that represent each of the scenes. So ChatGPT is going to do that and break each scene down for us as image prompts. So now we have the plan, which is scene 1. This is the description and this is the prompt. But before we utilize any of this, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give us Lucas first. So we're going to generate an image of Lucas, or the 2 main characters first. So I'm going to say generate an image of Lucas, and I'll copy the description of Lucas that he already gave, ChatGPT gave us, and I'll paste it in. So once it says this, just wait for a couple of minutes. If your image still doesn't come, just refresh the page and it will come. Okay, sorry guys, so I forgot something. This is still good, but I wanted it in a 3D Pixar style image, so we're just going to correct that. So I'll say please give me generate Lucas in a 3D Pixar style image. There we go. This is good, so you can just go ahead and download it, and I'll do the same thing for Maya. Generate Maya in a 3D Pixar style image. Good. Very good. Let me teach you another trick. Once you say generate 6 different facial expressions of, let's say, Maya in a sheet, the aspect ratio is going to be 3:2 because that's the widest that ChatGPT can go, and then it is the closest to 16:9. It cannot give us 16:9, so we go 3:2. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is so good. She's so cute. She's cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and download that, and I'll do the same thing for Lucas. This is just to show you. I don't think we would use this in any of the stories, but yeah, just to show you, how you can achieve. Then now we can start generating the rest of the scenes. Now that we have our main characters generated, we're going to copy the prompts that ChatGPT already gave us earlier. For instance, so we're going to copy the first prompt for scene 1. And in this prompt, we have the boy, which is Lucas, and we also have a girl, which is Maya. So once you paste the prompt here, what you have to do next is to edit it out. Where there is a boy and a girl, replace it with Maya and Lucas respectively. And then you just just edit it and cut out where there's the description of the children, because we already have their names and ChatGPT remembers that. And once you're done editing it out, don't forget to add the aspect ratio, otherwise ChatGPT will give you something that's maybe for Instagram, but this is for YouTube, so don't forget the aspect ratio. Also go ahead and add the 3D Pixar style or not, it will still remember it, but just add it in case, and then send it and you have your image generated. And then you can go ahead and continue generating the rest of the scenes. Once you notice that ChatGPT is beginning to forget some details on the images or the main characters, like on this one, it forgot to add the watch that was on Lucas's I think pants or bag. So what you're going to do is to tap on this plus sign to bring in Lucas and Maya, the picture that we already have. This will make ChatGPT adhere strictly to the consistency of the images. Now, a drawback with this is that because we're using the free version of ChatGPT, you have a limited number of images to upload. So you can go ahead and try using just the prompt. And if you notice that ChatGPT is forgetting details about the character, then you can upload the character with the prompt to kind of remind it. Okay, I'm just going to show you exactly what I mean. So I'm just going to bring in Lucas and Maya, then add your prompt. And once you're done with your prompt, you press send and it will generate the picture strictly adhering to the images you gave it, like this. This is before and after. And that's it. So the trick is, for once you notice that ChatGPT is forgetting, you just remind it with an image, or you can just go ahead and send the prompt along with the image you want it to adhere to. Now, this is how you can achieve consistent character. Very, very simple with ChatGPT. So as you can see here, I've generated almost all of the images representing each of the scenes. So in the next video, we're going to animate these characters. We're going to bring the story to life, and I cannot wait to see you guys in that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and see you on the next one. Bye.